guys, welcome back to the channel. It is a misty and gloomy morning here, but Wade and I have hit the road. We are headed to Azalea States for a wedding expo they are hosting, and this will be the first one that we have ever done with our business. We're really excited. We're a little nervous. It's right outside of Huntsville, so we thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along behind the scenes of our day. But yeah, we've got about an hour and a half left of our trip and we will be there. We just made it to the venue and it started sprinkling, of course. Wade is changing into his clothes. I've already changed, and we're gonna bring our stuff in and get our table set up, and I'm guessing just do a little mingling until it's time for guests to arrive. We've actually got a good 2 hours and 15 minutes before anybody shows up that is actually supposed to be here, that is not a vendor, so we have a little bit of time to just kind of do a little fun stuff, I guess. Alright, so we checked it out. We have some friends here, so we said hey to them. We set up our booth, but something's missing. Like I said, this is the first time we've ever done one of these, and the last time I've been to one of these was probably like 8 or 9 years ago, and Wade's never been to one, I know. No. So we just feel like we need just like a couple of greenery pieces or flowers or something. So there's a Kroger like 5 miles away. We're gonna go by there. They usually have like really good sections for flowers, so we're just gonna pick up a couple of pieces. They have tons of stuff that we can use if we didn't bring enough vases and things like that. So yeah, we're just gonna use some of their vases, and I think that'll make the table really nice. We still have 2 hours before people show up, so I think we're doing good time, and we'll probably have enough time to tour the facility before we start. So, but first we gotta go to Kroger. This. We are 30 minutes until showtime. We've got our table all situated. It looks really good. Thankful for the extra vases that they had here. Everyone's been so nice. Yeah, it's just a waiting game now. It has been a super long day. We've had so much fun. We've met so many people, been talking a lot, and I'm exhausted. About to get some comfy clothes on and head back home. We've got some fun drinks. They had like a little mimosa bar, and we've been trying some of them right before we left. They don't have alcohol in them. You can add it if you wanted. That's a really cool business. A couple of the businesses that we found really cool and unique, we'll link them down below, as well as the venue that we visited, but we're going to talk more about that when we get home. Just exhausted. So it has been a couple of days since we attended the wedding event Expo. Honestly, we had just enough energy to get ourselves home, get some food, and pay attention to our dog Dreamy. He had been cooped up in the house basically all day. Yeah, we just wanted to mention the amazing vendors that we met, the amazing people that we met, some really unique things that we didn't expect to see. And then the people that hosted the event, the venue is actually a wedding venue. They are family owned and operated, and they are amazing. They went above and beyond to make sure that we felt very comfortable, and they knew this was our first expo, so it was just a really nice experience. We took a lot from it. We weren't really sure if we were prepared for it, but yeah, I think after grabbing the flowers and just making our booth pop a little bit more, I think we felt really comfortable going in. It was honestly a really good learning experience. We have a couple of notes to take for the next time we attend one of these. And we're just really happy that this was our first event. We were also informed by other vendors that talked to us that this was the best one to attend in the area. So we're really happy that we did. So you may not even know who Wade and I are. We do this YouTube channel for fun, but we also have a new business that we have been venturing into, and it is videography. Wade is the main person on that. I just help. But yeah, this is a new venture that we have gotten into. We've done a couple of projects and weddings, and we really want to dig deep this year into the business and grow and just have some fun experiences and make some magical moments for some people. So that is why we attended this event. But yeah, you may just be planning for a wedding and that's why you clicked on the video. But yeah, if you are, I'll have some of the links of the people that we met, vendors and such, the venue as well, in the description, so you can check those out. Maybe you weren't able to attend the event. But yeah, and I'll have our website as well linked in the description. Thank you guys for following along, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.